the breaking news that's coming in on the Pune investigation, an investigation by Republic TV that is unfolding the truth. The latest update coming in the Pune court, the father of the killer, Brad Vishal Agarwal, 5 other accused people have been produced in court. The special public prosecutor says IPC section 420 and sections of the Motor Vehicles Act have been added to the FIR. He's also adding in court the vehicle registration at the RTO is incomplete and the fees has been unpaid. Remember, viewers, on the very first day when we were beginning this case, we had stated that under the Motor Vehicles Act, it's not only section 77 on the basis of which Vishal Agarwal, the father, needs to be put into custody, but also the vehicle registration that was incomplete, the fees were unpaid. Today, as we're going to try and go across to all our reporters who've descended in Pune and are trying to track the story from each angle, I also want to tell you how we added focus to the father of the killer, Brad Vishal Agarwal, the statements he's made, the driver theory that is being given by the grandfather. All this happening as Vishal Agarwal has also changed his mobile phone. All right, more breaking news coming in. The Pune police has now demanded 7-day custody of the father of the killer, Brad Vishal Agarwal. Big revelation in court. The CCTV footage has been tampered with. And this is exactly what we've been saying from day one. Who is behind everything that's been happening in the case? Who is the Pune police in cahoots with? Why is the Pune police commissioner changing his statement? Now statements coming that the CCTV footage at the pub has been hampered with. Viewers, remember all this happening only after Republic TV picks up this investigation and tries to understand what really happened on the night of the murder. Is the driver who was not driving the car going to be framed by the mafia-linked grandfather of the killer VIP? Is the father going to give out great details about the actual mobile phone he used? Because the only phone he's handed over to the police has been a simple phone, which is SIM card, which was taken on the 19th. What is the real truth and how many links with certain political parties does this builder VIP mafia said really have? Because as we're getting all these details, we're also being told, viewers, after Republic unearthed the cover-up. All right, there's breaking news that's coming in as we are speaking. There's a fresh revelation in the courtroom. And now we're being told that there's also been a tampering with the register. The register only has details till the... Register has only details to the 18th of May. Fresh revelation, register also tampered with. We're going to try and understand twist after twist, discrepancy after discrepancy. Evidence being tampered with after that is coming out. Now, the latest breaking news on our investigation in the Pune murder case is that the register only had the entry till the 18th of May. There needs to be an investigation regarding who all the college friends of the son of the accused were who were there in the bar. And we're also being told that there's a fresh revelation that the register also seems to have been tampered with. The CCTV footage has also been tampered with. Just before this, I did a breaking number 2 that revelations in the court also say that the CCTV footage has been tampered with as the Pune police demands 7 days custody of the father.